Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling iCloud Drive and signing into the same Apple ID across devices. This ensures a single source of truth. Once done, enable desktop and documents sync on Mac if you want automatic backups of those folders. Make sure two-factor authentication is active so syncing remains secure. Next, pick which app folders to include and allocate storage. If you approach your plan limit, upgrade, or free up space. This gets your baseline ready, so files can flow between devices immediately. Once iCloud Drive is active, monitor sync status in Finder or the Files app. Look for uploading or downloading badges so you know progress. You can move, tag, or rename files locally, and iCloud will propagate changes across devices. This prevents copy drift. Make deliberate decisions about large media. Either offload to an external drive or enable optimized storage so older items remain in the cloud. Also, periodically review iCloud settings to remove redundant backups and manage your plan to avoid unexpected limits. To finalize, confirm all devices show recent update times and test opening files from another device. This proves sync works. If something stalls, force a sync by toggling iCloud Drive or restarting the device. Signing out and back into Apple ID can clear stubborn issues. Make sure your network is stable and devices have enough free storage for local caching. If files are missing, visit iCloud.com to recover deleted items within 30 days and verify document versions so you don't lose important changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.